Are you confused by the amount of SEO tools out there? Or are you just generally confused about SEO in general? There are so many resources out on Google or on YouTube, and I'm really going to, and you heard my phone going off there for Google. There are so many resources out there right now, and the landscape, it can be very confusing. So imagine if I could cut through all of the forest and show you just a couple of key trees that you can hang your hat upon in order to be able to get 99% of what most people need out of SEO. Would that be worth something to you? I hope so. So that's what we're going to cover here today. If you aren't familiar with me or my channel, I am Tom Batman Ziegelbauer, and I help businesses and entrepreneurs scale their businesses through the use of technology. So we're just going to get after it. There are 2 free tools that are available through Google. And if you haven't heard of these before, they will completely change your life. The first one is Google Analytics. So if you go to analytics.google.com, you can sign up for a free account there. They give you a small snippet of code. They tell you exactly where you need to place it in your website. Most hosting companies, or wherever you're at, including if you're on WordPress, there are all sorts of tools in order to be able to embed your little Google Analytics code into your website. So super simple. What that gives you is a breadth of tools, from live views of customers or visitors to your site. You can see exactly where they're traveling through the paths of your site. You can see where they're coming from. You can see particular keywords that they're searching for. If you are connected up e-commerce wise, you can see which particular products that people are purchasing and at what volume during the month. Google Analytics is a Swiss Army knife of the industry for SEO and website analysis. It does pretty much everything out of the box, and it's free. Let me stress that. It is free. The second tool that I would recommend that you go to is the Google Search Console, and that one is search.google.com, and you can connect up your website in a very similar fashion that you have done for Google Analytics. What that is going to do, it's this kind of undervalued tool that's out there, also free, allows you to be able to see the search traffic and how Google especially is indexing your site and ranking it for particular keywords, how many people are coming in from a particular search keyword value, and how many people are actually searching for that on a monthly basis that you're being found for or seen for, and how many people are actually clicking through for that. So 2 free tools, the Google Analytics and the second one, the Google Search Console. Hopefully these both help you. If they did, definitely hit those 3 buttons down at the bottom, like, subscribe, and alert, so you are alerted to additional content from my channel. Also, if you have additional free tools that you're using out there that you would like to suggest to the visitors to this channel, please post those down in the chat down below. So thank you very much for watching, and remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.